Initiating simulation 013. Inverting the arrow of time. The second law of thermodynamics states that the universe moves from order to chaos. But what if we flip the switch? Suddenly, entropy reverses. Chaos turns into order. Smoke rushes back into the chimney. Rust turns back into shiny steel. Biology follows the new law. We don't die. We wake up in a coffin, gasp for air, and get younger every day. You retire before you start working. You unlearn your skills. You end your life as a baby, fading into nothingness. But the physics of survival are disturbing. You don't eat because you are hungry. You vomit full meals onto a plate to be uncooked. The true horror is memory. If your brain chemistry flows backward, do you remember the future? You would have no memory of the past, only the future. You would know exactly how you will die, but you wouldn't know your own name. Gravity reverses the expansion of the universe. The cosmos shrinks. We don't end in a cold, dark void. We end where we began. The Big Crunch. See you yesterday. End log.